Come test drive 2017 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, backup camera, keyless entry, power lift gate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver lumbar, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, front floor mats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Subaru certified pre-owned vehicles have no secrets. You never have to wonder about vehicle history, reliability, and durability. Qualifying vehicles have passed through a stringent process determined by Subaru of America. And when shopping for a pre-owned Subaru, the best place to look is your Subaru dealer.